In these problems, we are finding the slopes of horizontal and vertical lines. And I think we're going to try this in two different ways. We're going to just try visualizing the lines here. We're being given 2 points. So we can make a rough sketch of the graph. And then I'll also show you how to do this with, the formula for slope. And this should all become pretty clear pretty quickly. It says find the slope of a line passing through the points 9, -2, and 4, -2. What you'll notice here is that the y stays the same. It's down at -2, and it passes through 4, and it passes through 9, and it's a line, so it's going to pass through all the points at -2. So this is a horizontal line. Now, all horizontal lines have a slope of 0. They don't go up or down at all. It doesn't change as you move from left to right. So the slope there is going to be 0. To show you this with the slope formula is rise over run. The run from 9 to 4 is -5, so that'd be on the bottom. The rise from -2 to -2, the difference between those two is 0. And 0 over anything is 0. So our slope is 0. We probably don't even have to do much for the second one because what I notice right away is, again, the y values stay the same. So we're up at 7. We've got a point at x is -7. A point at x is 4. You're going to have a horizontal line again. And just like this one, the rise is going to be 0. So we'll have 0 over 11, which is still a slope of 0. Let's try one more set of problems here. Okay, this one we have the points 3, 7, and 3, -6. So now the x is staying the same and y is changing. So let's sketch this so we can think about it. So the x value is staying at 3, and we have a point down at -6, and we have a point up at 7. So we're getting a vertical line. What is the slope there? Well, vertical lines have an undefined slope, and I'll show you why with the math here. Again, the slope is rise over run. Our run is 0. The difference from 3 to 3 is 0. Our rise is down 13. So -13 divided by 0 does not make sense. We can't divide by 0. So this would be undefined, so our slope is undefined. Let's do one more here. We should be pretty good at these by now. Here we're seeing the y value stays the same. So if we were to sketch this out, we'd have an x at -8 and a y up at 8 and then an x at -2. So again, we're getting a horizontal line. And by now it should be pretty clear that all the horizontal lines have a slope of 0. So that's a little work with the slopes of horizontal and vertical lines.